Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about the heavy rain in California potentially that could be happening today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We can see also. So, yeah, guys, California is going to get a lot of rain. If you're in the California mountains, they might get a lot of snow too. So, let's get started, guys. All right, so we got Monday, April 20th here at 2 a.m. We can see we got rain in the Pacific Ocean. We can see on here. Also, guys, see on here. So, could have rain all the way up there too. Then let's move on. All right, so Monday, April 20th at 11 a.m. we can see we could have snow in we can see we got some rain and snow maybe in California Monday at 11 a.m. We can see what is like California. We can see could have rain and snow moving in. Then by 2 p.m. on Monday we could have heavier snow in California. You can see maybe in some spots in rain also. So yeah, guys. All right, then 5 p.m. on Monday we have rain really moving in. Then it's really Tuesday kind of more. We're gonna talk about really heavier rain in lots of spots. So Tuesday, April 21st at 2 p.m. we can have rain in California. A lot of California, Northern California, middle of California. We can have heavier snow in the California mountains too. So we can see on here, guys. So got rain also up in Oregon. We can see also for today, Tuesday. Sorry, I meant Tuesday. And some rain in Nevada. We can see also, guys. So yeah. Then Tuesday at 5 p.m. we can have some more rain in California. We can see also, guys. So let's just put the whole. Let's see if there's like a west coast. The west. There we go. So this is what the full view looks like of it. So you can see we got rain in California. Got rain in Oregon, Washington. We can see for Tuesday at 5 p.m. We can see also on here, guys. Tuesday 8 p.m. we got some more rain also in California and some snow in the California mountains and some snow maybe in Oregon in the Washington mountains. Maybe we can have too for Tuesday. Rain in Nevada. We can see rain in Colorado potentially in the mountains areas. So we can see in some snow. Also Utah. You can see also on here. So yeah, guys. Let's look at something else. So, got rain in California, Oregon, and Nevada a little too. Tuesday at 11 p.m. we can see got rain in California, Nevada. We can see Oregon, Washington. We can see in even Idaho. We can see also Colorado. We got rain. Montana. We got rain also. Wyoming. We have rain in the mountains too. You can see also on here. Then Wednesday, it really starts to move out. We just have snow in a lot of these places like Idaho and things. So let's look at our rain totals. It's going to take me a second. All right, come on, where are you? There it is. All right, so this is 24 hours. We can see. Let's put it on California for a second. Alright, so this is like the 24-hour thing. Is from Monday 6 a.m. to Tuesday at 6 a.m. We can have over an inch of rainfall in some of these places, guys. We can see a lot of these places. And Tuesday by 10 a.m. we can see we can have 1.3 inches, 1.5 inches in a lot of these places. I might be coming out tomorrow for California rain forecast, and like one of those, if you're on my Instagram and TikTok, you see those like forecasts how much rain projection is possible. There might be a forecast coming out for this area tomorrow. Alright, then we're going to be talking about severe weather probability outlook today. You can see, guys, we got a 15% probability outlook of severe weather in Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Iowa too. We can see on here too also, guys. So let's look at our radar projections for Thursday. Alright, Thursday at 11 a.m. we can see we maybe have some light rain in Texas maybe. Could be some storms firing up and developing in Nebraska. We can see where that light rain is. Also in Nebraska, Kansas, we can see Iowa. We can see it even Arkansas maybe too. Then we can see on Thursday at 2 p.m. we can have storms start developing in places like Nebraska, Iowa. Then we can see our heavier rain up in North and South Dakota and some snow up in the Colorado Mountains in Montana and Wyoming. We can see also on here. Got storms looks like developing in Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas. We can see Ohio and Ohio looks like we could have some rain maybe for Thursday, maybe in part of Ohio. Thursday at 5 p.m. we looks like we have more developing storms in Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Arkansas. You can see also on here Louisiana, some snow in Colorado, and some snow in Colorado potentially, Wyoming, Montana. We can see even some rain up in places like North Dakota, South Dakota, and maybe some rain and snow also up in there. Then, really, 8 p.m. is where our storms are going to start firing up. We can see places like Kansas, Iowa, Arkansas. We can see Minnesota, Wisconsin. We can see also snow in Colorado mountains. We can see also rain and storms potentially in Louisiana. We can see also on here, guys. Arkansas, Illinois, Indiana. We can see also on here too. See also, guys. Thursday at 11 p.m. we can see this is where our probably strong storms going to be in Kansas, Missouri, Iowa. We can see also on here. Even Minnesota, we can maybe have a storm potentially. Then we can see up in North Dakota, we have some snow and some rain up in North Dakota and South Dakota. We can see it rain in Wyoming and snow in the Wyoming mountains and snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see. Then we got Friday at 2 a.m. We could have some storms still in Kansas, Missouri. We can see Iowa. We can see Wisconsin. Also, we can see maybe we could have some rain up there too. Some snow up in North Dakota, some snow up in Wyoming. We can see in Colorado. We can see it also, guys, on here. So, yeah, in rain in Texas, we can see also maybe scattered rain also. So, yeah, guys. Friday, 5 a.m., we could have some rain in Kansas, Missouri, Iowa. We can see also on here, guys, also. So, yeah, let's move on to our storm cap numbers. Go back. Our Thursday at 2 p.m. This is our storm cap numbers. We have 1,800 storm cap in Kansas, 1,300 storm cap in Missouri, 2,400 storm cap in Oklahoma, 500 storm cap in Arkansas at 2 p.m., 2,500, 2,600 storm cap in Texas. We can see 1,000 storm cap in Iowa. We can see 700 storm cap in Minnesota, 500 storm cap in Wisconsin, Michigan, 500 storm cap too. You can see. Then 5 p.m. on Thursday is when our storm cap really starts strengthening. We see in Kansas, Oklahoma, we got 3,000 storm cap in Oklahoma, 2,000 storm cap in Kansas, Iowa, 1,500, Minnesota, 1,600, 1,400 storm cap, Wisconsin, 600 storm cap, 500 storm cap, Illinois, it's 200, 500 storm cap, Arkansas, we got 700, 1,100 storm cap, Louisiana, in Texas, 2,500 storm cap to 2,400 storm cap. This depends where you're at. 8 p.m. on Thursday, we can see we had storm cap numbers of 3,300 in Oklahoma, 2,600 in Texas, Kansas, 2,400 storm cap, Iowa, 1,600 storm cap, Minnesota, 1,500 storm cap, Wisconsin, 1,300 to 1,000 storm cap. In some spots we can see also for 8 p.m. on Thursday. At 11 p.m. on Thursday, we can see we had 2,700 storm cap in some places, 2,300 parts of Oklahoma, and 2,500 storm cap in parts of Texas. We can see. So let's move on to our really below average temperatures in like places like in Ohio real quick. Let's look at that. Alright, guys. So we're gonna be looking at something else. This is how below average we're gonna be for the nighttime. We can see Monday at 2 a.m. we're gonna have 12 degrees below normal temperatures, 15 to 18 degrees below normal in Michigan. 15 degrees below normal in Minnesota, Wisconsin. We can see even New York, 12 degrees below normal, 12 degrees below normal in PA. West Virginia, 9 degrees below normal. We can see Virginia, we're 8 degrees below normal. We can see Georgia, we're 10 degrees below normal. Let's see. Then really at 5 a.m. on Monday, we're going to have places like Ohio, we're going to be 15 degrees below normal. So average temperature, 16 degrees below normal average temperature. South Carolina, several degrees below average normal temperature. We can see places like Michigan, we can have 16 to 18 degrees below normal. You can see also a lot of these places. Then we can see places like PA. Guys, look at this. Look, Monday at 2 p.m. You can see we can have 20 degrees below normal temperatures in places like in the New England states. Even Ohio, we can have 20 degrees below normal temperatures. We can see also Eastern Ohio. You can see even West Virginia looks like a little. We can have 18 degrees below normal. Also temperatures. This is like, yeah, guys, these are crazy numbers. Then we can see another rough cold below average night in like these places again in Tuesday morning. 17 degrees below normal, 21 degrees below normal, 17 degrees below normal in PA, even 22 degrees below normal in parts of New York, 22 degrees below normal in the New England states. We can see also South Carolina, we got 5 degrees below normal. You can see also then by Tuesday we can see literally it's gonna be like the opposite. Some of these places by Tuesday afternoon gonna have 8 to 5 degrees above normal. We can see. So let's look at our temperatures. All right, everyone. We can see we have Monday 11 p.m. here. We can see we got 23 degrees in PA, 24 in New York, 20 is in PA. Even the New England states would be in the teens. We can see also, guys. Maine we could be in the 20s. Michigan we could be in the 30s. Wisconsin we could be in the 40s. Illinois would be in the 40s too, in 50s. You can see Indiana we're in the 40s. You can see also Virginia we're in the 30s. West Virginia we're in the 30s also. New Jersey would be in the 40s also. We can see Tuesday at 2 a.m. we can see we have lower 20s in PA, higher teens in the New England states. Maine, we could even have low as 18 degrees. Ohio, we can have 30 degrees in some spots. We can see West Virginia, we can have 30s. Virginia, we can have 30s. North Carolina, we can have 30s. Indiana, we can have 40s. Michigan, we can have 30s too. Outside, you can see in some of these places. All right, Tuesday at 6 a.m., we're going to have our coldest temperatures. Some of the New England states, we can see as low as 13 degrees in some spots, guys. For almost May in the morning. That's a statement we should never have to say. That is way too cold for this time of year. So West Virginia we could have 27 degrees in the morning. Even Ohio we could have 30 degrees also. Then we can see by Tuesday like really the cold air in most of these places. Like PA we're gonna have cold air, but it's gonna be in the 40s and 50s. In New York we're gonna be in the 40s. Ohio we're gonna be in the 60s and 50s, and we can see everywhere else is gonna be in the 70s, 60s, and 70s, 60s, 70s. Wisconsin 60s, Kentucky 70s, too, Michigan in the 60s and 50s. So I hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys, I see you guys in the next one.